If you're considering Vanco Faith for your church's management needs, there are some crucial details you need to know before making a decision. With so many church management solutions available, it's important to understand how Vanco Faith stacks up, especially when compared to competitors. Let's dive in. First thing, Vanco Faith offers a comprehensive solution for church donations, event management, and membership tracking. It's known for being easy to set up and use, which is a big plus for churches with limited tech experience. Compared to other options like Planning Center, Vanco stands out in its simplicity, but some features are a bit more limited. Next thing, Vanco's integration with online giving is a major highlight. It supports recurring donations, text to give, and donation tracking, making it easier for congregants to contribute digitally. However, unlike some competitors, you may find the customization of donation forms to be more restricted, which could be an issue if you need a highly tailored setup. The third thing to note is Vanco's pricing model. While it's generally affordable, pricing can scale quickly with the size of your church, especially when you add more features like text messaging and check-in services. When compared to software like Breeze, Vanco's pricing can be on the higher end for smaller churches, so it's worth reviewing your church's specific needs. Next, Vanco Faith's reporting features are solid. You get reports on donations, giving trends, and financials that are easy to access. However, it's not as detailed or customizable as some of its competitors like Planning Center or ChurchTrack. If you need advanced reporting for things like member engagement or detailed analytics, you might want to consider other options. The fifth thing is that Vanco Faith provides mobile apps for both church staff and congregants, which is an excellent feature for those on the go. The app interface is user-friendly, but some users have mentioned that the app experience could be more streamlined, especially when compared to apps from rivals like Tithe.li. The sixth thing is Vanco Faith's event management tools. It allows you to set up events, track RSVPs, and manage event registration. While it's functional, it doesn't have the level of sophistication that you might find in more specialized platforms like Planning Center events, which offers deeper event integration with your church's overall workflow. Next, Vanco does a great job with its customer support. If you have any questions or issues, they provide multiple ways to get in touch, including phone support, email, and an online knowledge base. That said, competitors like ChurchTrack are known for a more responsive support team, so that could be something to consider if real-time support is a priority for you. The eighth thing is the security features. Vanco Faith is PCI compliant, meaning your financial transactions are secure. However, when compared to some larger competitors like Realm, Vanco doesn't offer as many advanced security features like two-factor authentication or detailed access control for different levels of users. Next, Vanco's integration with other software is limited, especially when it comes to tools outside of its core offerings. If your church relies on other software for things like accounting or communication, you might find the integration options a bit more restrictive compared to platforms like ChurchSuite or Planning Center, which have a broader range of integrations. The 10th thing is the user interface. Vanco Faith has a clean, modern design that's easy to navigate, but if you're looking for a more polished or intuitive user experience, some competitors like Breeze or Planning Center may offer a more refined layout and smoother user flow. The 11th thing is scalability. Vanco Faith works well for small to mid-sized churches, but larger congregations may find that it lacks some of the high-level features needed for extensive church management, like advanced CRM functionality. If your church is growing rapidly, you may want to consider a platform that offers more scalability, such as Church Community Builder. Finally, Vanco Faith is a solid, reliable church management tool, especially for churches that want simplicity and ease of use. However, if you're looking for a more comprehensive solution with advanced features and scalability, there are better options out there. Check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free, to see how it compares and whether it might be a better fit for your church's needs.